we're gonna do an adductor rock back. So very similar to what we do in our beast rock back, finding that core position, right? And keeping those hips and sternum facing the floor, opening up through those hips, keeping a neutral rib cage stack, pelvis stack. I'm gonna show it from this side. You're just gonna put that leg out to the side, okay? And you're just going to curl this back toe. Let me just show here. Curling that back toe, keeping the rib cage pelvis stacked. We're going to rock back like this. You can play with variations and then also putting your toe up. Again, honoring and listening to what your body is saying is important. We can also sometimes be loading this up and adding some load to it in the same area. So just make sure you're paying attention and reading your prescription of your exercise.